Good afternoon. This is tutor Mr. Joseph once again. So today let's just do straight to the mathematics, which is indices topic. So we have mathematics. Then I'm going to look at what we call the topic indices. Okay, indices. So indices is one of the important topic in mathematics which you need to know and you need to understand for you to pass an exam, because the questions are always posed or asked in the examination questions or paper. So now let's understand what is indices. So now we know that the term indices, it is a plural form for index. Okay, the term indices, it's a plural form for index. The word index, it's a singular form for indices. So now let's understand what is an index or index notation. So I'm saying index. So an index, we are saying that an index, this is it's a power or exponent. Exponent to which the term So I said that an index is the power or exponent to which the term, variables, number or a base is raised. Okay? Or is raised to. So I don't know about, for example, we have A times A times A. This one will give us A times A times A will give us A to the power 3. So we know that A is the number or the term or the base or the variable. A is the base. Then 3 is what we call the power or the exponent, or you can say the degree. Okay? So once you have this, we know that this is the base, this is the 3 is what? The power. For example, we have got 5 raised to the power 2, meaning 5 is the base, then 2 is the what? Is the power. Now, when you are dealing with indices, there are laws that govern indices. We call them the laws of indices. So when you are dealing with indices, you must know these laws. So today I'll share with you a few. Then in the next video, I'm going to share with other laws so that you get the full understanding of what we call indices or index. Okay? So the first law we're talking about, let me just wrap here. So the first law of indices, we're saying multiplication law. The first law is what we call multiplication law. Now, what is this multiplication law? So this multiplication law states that any number multiplied by a number that is being multiplied itself with the same base. That means what you have to do is to add the what? The powers. So if you are multiplying a number, and that number is the base, and it has got different powers. That means you add the powers, and then you just pick one base of that same number. So for example, we have 5 raised to the power 3 times 5 raised to the power 2. That means the base are the same. Okay? So since the base are the same, we are going to pick one base. One base, and then we add the what? The power. So it will be 3 plus 2. Then our final answer will be 5. 3 plus 2, it will be 5. Then this becomes your answer under the law of multiplication law, under indices. Okay? Another example that we can have is, for example, you have got b raised to the power 2 times b raised to the power 8. So now, the base are the same, so you just have to pick one base, and then you say 2 plus 8, it will give us b raised to the power 10. That means this, the power tells us how many times the base is being raised or is being multiplied itself. Okay? We're saying that the power or the index, it tells us to say how many times the base is being multiplied by itself. Then, apart from the law of multiplication, we have the second law, which is division law. So division law. Now this division law, it states that if you are dividing the bases which has got different powers, that means you subtract the powers and you pick one of the base. Okay, for example, we have b raised to the power 8 divided by b raised to the power 2. That means you're going to pick one base. So we're going to have b, then the power is 8 minus 2. So we're going to have b raised to the power 8 minus 2, we're going to have 6. Then this becomes your answer. Okay? So let me use another example that carries numbers. So I've got 10 to the power 3 divided by 10 to the power 2. So you're going to have the base are the same. So you have 10 and then 3 minus 2, which you have 10 to the power what? 3 minus 2 is what? 1. Now automatically this raised to the power 1, which is just, it will give us just 10. Okay? So now, for more mathematics information, please, you can call us on 0779 606185. 0779 606185. Once you do that, will help you to overcome fear in mathematics. And also in the next video, I'm going to tackle, so we just did, I've just given you 2 laws, but in the next video, I'll give you up to 7 laws so that you understand the full of indices in the under the topic indices. So please don't forget to like and also share so that other people can learn the formation of mathematics. And also it's not only mathematics, we do different subjects: English, biology, civic education, geography, RE, and many more subjects. We also cater for Cambridge exams and also A-levels. So thank you so much. This is your tutor, Mr. Joseph.